Hanging wall cabinets can be difficult, especially if you're doing it on your own. Different cabinet heights can complicate the process, and balancing the cabinet before attaching it is always a challenge. Luckily, with our new cabinet installation system, the whole process just got a lot easier. Let's look at the system itself. It comes with all the hardware you need to succeed. Just grab a drill, a Phillips driver bit, and a stud finder, and you're set to build. First, we'll start by attaching the wall bracket. Use your locator to find all the studs in the wall where your cabinets will hang. Next, mark the sections where you'll attach the wall brackets 1 inch above your preferred height for the top of the wall cabinet. Make sure to inset from the edge of the cabinet just enough so that it can be hidden with the top trim if you'd like. For every 2-foot section, attach it to at least 2 wall studs. If this isn't possible, then make sure to use a couple of the included drywall anchors. Ensure there's either a stud or an anchor support within the 3 pre-drilled holes from each end of the bracket to secure your support and keep proper leveling. Next, we'll install the brackets on the top of the wall cabinet. Start with the back of the brackets 1.5 inches from the back of the cabinet using the included 3/4 inch screws. For the best hold, make sure you don't attach to the end grain of the cabinet side. The top of the cabinet needs to be flush with the sides. If it isn't, cut a scrap piece of plywood or lumber to the correct thickness to make it flush and securely attach it to the top of the cabinet. Your cabinet top should be 1/2 inch thick or more. 2 brackets will be enough if the cabinet is 24 inches wide or smaller. You might need more if the cabinet is wider, taller, or deeper than typical wall cabinets, or if you're building a custom cabinet of your own design. Now it's time to hang the cabinets. Keep in mind that the cabinet installation system has a weight limit of 60 pounds. Lift your cabinet and hang it in place on the wall bracket. This will support the cabinets while you get them positioned, leveled, and permanently attached to the studs in the wall. Then, if you'd like and if space allows, you can remove the cabinet brackets after everything has been secured to the wall. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're hanging just a few cabinets or an entire kitchen run, hanging perfectly placed wall cabinets with this system just got a whole lot easier, and you can do it by yourself in a fraction of the time. So why wait? Get your own cabinet installation system today.